Quantum computer is simply a computer that uses quantum mechanics to do a calculation faster than you could with a classical computer. Classical computer are the computers that we enjoy today and do so much good things with. Quantum computer leverages those laws, the fundamental laws of nature, to do these calculations at theoretically unprecedented rates. Well, the type of quantum computer that we use, that we've developed, is we're focused on applications in optimization. So it could be a portfolio optimization type of application. It could be in sampling. So that would be sort of drawing samples from a probability distribution. In finance, Monte Carlo simulation is used quite extensively. That's another example of sampling. And the third area is in machine learning. So doing better artificial intelligence, specifically deep learning, building classifiers to sort through or to find relevance in big data and draw analysis in as optimal a way as possible. So research in quantum computing started in roughly the early 80s. There's been 30 years of development. Our company, D-Wave, is the first that's actually delivered a commercial quantum computer that has real customers and providing value to those customers. There are lots of research projects going on around the world. IBM just announced a cloud offering of a small-scale quantum computer. Microsoft has a product. There are lots of other types of products. So within 5 years, I think you're going to start to see adoption across all verticals. Certainly there'll be, finance will be an important vertical for quantum computing. And there will be competitors. We'll be in the fortunate position of having competitors and other players in the space. Right now we have an advantage that we are the first, and we'll probably have a 5 or 10 year lead on anyone else in the industry. With a partnership with a number of firms, 1Qubit, and some industry leaders, we put together this website, which is a community where people can share ideas and perhaps solutions using quantum algorithms. So posting questions that could be addressed by a quantum computer and a quantum algorithm, and basically providing a forum where there can be discussions and you can actually submit a problem or submit code that could solve that problem. So it's really meant to kind of provide an open source, crowdsourced kind of environment such that we can find applications that are relevant to quantitative finance folks and see if we can get a good community involvement together and to start using quantum computers for finance applications, specifically in quantitative finance. First off, I think quantum computing it's not a replacement for classical computing. It's a resource that will be used alongside classical computing. But my hope is, and our hope as a company, is that we'll be able to solve problems that humankind can't solve with classical computers. And that could be across all different dimensions, not just finance, but you can see it in bioinformatics and perhaps delivering cures for cancer, better personalized medicine, things like that. So given a new tool and giving a new tool to scientists and researchers and developers around the world, I think there'll be some very exciting outcomes and moving humanity forward with quantum computing. That's our hope.